Hello friends, welcome to Adobe XD video tutorials series. In the previous video tutorial, we understood what is Adobe XD and what is it used for. In this video tutorial, we understand how to create and view XD documents. First, we understand how to create Adobe XD document. For that, we launch Adobe XD. Once Adobe XD is open, here we have presets, guys. Here we have mobile and tablet related presets. You can see we have iPhone 12 Pro Max, Google Pixel and all. Then we have website related presets. You can see web 1920, web 1366. Here we have social media presets like Instagram story, Instagram post, Twitter header, Facebook post, Facebook cover page, YouTube video thumbnail. Right, they have given presets which you can use depending upon your requirement. If you are not happy with these presets, you can define your own width and height. Here the width and height indicate width and height of the artboard which is being created inside the Adobe XD file, guys. Like for example, if I want to create a website, then I go to web presets and let's say I'm going to select 1920 by 1080. 1920 indicates width of the artboard, 1080 indicates height of the artboard. If I click on this, it creates the Adobe XD document or Adobe XD file with the name untitled-1. That means this file is not yet saved, and you can see we get one artboard. Okay, this artboard has width 1920 by height 1080. You can see that, right? So this is how you create a new Adobe XD document, guys. Next, we understand how to save this document. Okay, next we understand how to save the Adobe XD document. For that, we go to file and say save as, or you can sometimes you see here save as local document. I click on save as and then locate where you want to save this file. Desktop I want to save, and here we give the XD file name, okay, or XD document name. Let's say I'm creating my website. I simply say here my dash website, okay, and then click on the save button, and you can see it is showing here my dash website. That's our new document name. You should see at the desktop my dash website. You can see that it is like a document. If you double click on this, it will get open in the Adobe XD software, guys. Okay, that's what we are going to discuss next, how to open the Adobe XD document. Okay, let's say you have closed this software, okay, and you want to open this document. All you need is just double click on this. It will get open in the Adobe XD software, guys. Okay, very easy, right? Or you can go to file, you can say open and select the file that you want to open and then say open. It will open that. Or launch the Adobe XD. After launching the Adobe XD, go to open here and then select XD and then select the file and say open. So there are many ways in which you can open the Adobe XD document in the software. Okay, next thing we understand is how to preview our Adobe XD document. Okay, for that you have to click on the play button, that is the desktop preview button that you see here at the top. You can see on the right hand side desktop preview. If you click on this now, it will show you the preview of your artboard which you currently selected or the active artboard. If I click on this, you can see our XD document is getting previewed in the preview window. Okay, so let's say if I have a rectangle here and let's change its color to red or something, and if I click on this desktop preview, it shows the preview of our document, guys. And the shortcut key is Ctrl Enter. If I hit Ctrl Enter, it will open the preview window. You can see that. Okay, you can either click here or you can use Ctrl Enter to preview your artboard or the document, guys. If you have a mobile connected to your device, you can preview in the mobile also. That is device preview button is there. You can see that. Okay, so that's it, guys, for this video tutorial. I hope you guys have clearly understood how to create a new XD document, how to save it on your local machine, and how to open and how to preview your Adobe XD document. That's it, guys, for this video tutorial. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss more about Adobe XD. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep designing, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.